Nowadays, everything is consumed very fast. People prefer to watch 15-second videos rather than long videos. Today, everything is consumed very fast. People prefer to watch 15-second videos rather than long videos. How to share Instagram video notes. Open the DM section in the Instagram app. Tap the profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. Above the messages, on the note screen, tap the camera icon in the center of the screen. Shoot your 2-second video and tap the share button. Before sharing video notes, you can choose who will see the notes. You can choose whether followers you follow or close friends. Unfortunately, there is no option for people you don't follow to see your video. The video note you share will temporarily replace your profile picture in the inbox. Instagram recently introduced the ability to share songs in the notes section. The company has now introduced the ability to share 2-second videos that automatically disappear after 24 hours. This new feature is rolling out gradually. If you don't see the new feature, update the app.